to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did this super cute, no leave out, kinky curly clip-ins from Luvme Hair. Keep on watching.
So before we get into the tutorial, let me show you the goodies that I got in these boxes.
So I got 2 bundles from them, and what I have left of the bundles is one of the 3 clip wefts and then 2 of the 1 clip wefts. So this is what I have left out of the 3 bundles. Absolutely love this hair, the look, and no leave out. Love it. So this is my first time doing the no leave out crochet method. And when I say the girlies make it look easy, and it is once you get the hang of it, but it was definitely a learning process. So let's get right into this tutorial.
So again, these are seamless clip-ins, super easy to install. All you do is open the comb, clip it on your hair, close it up, and that is it. And these are the 16-inch kinky curly clip-ins in the color natural black. Each bundle comes with 9 pieces, 1 8-inch weft, 3 6-inch wefts, 2 4-inch wefts, and then 3 1-inch wefts. So I have French braided my hair down. We are doing the side part, and again, we're doing the no leave out look. So now that the clip-ins are installed, we are going to use the crochet method to crochet the hair through my hair so that we can hide the wefts. now I'm just going to go in with this mousse from Mielle Organics, the pomegranate and honey collection. Just going and raking these through in medium sections.
So I haven't done Kinky Curly clip-ins in a while. Definitely had to get back into it because I'm absolutely loving these. The hair quality, curl pattern, the seamless wefts, unmatched. Like they're super flat. Big difference between the old clip-ins that I'm used to and these seamless ones. I'm absolutely impressed, absolutely obsessed, loving this look. Let me give you a 360 of these curls. I absolutely love it. So I opted for a side part, which I'm happy that I did. Definitely going to be seeing more of these clip-ins, so stay tuned. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.